So if you want to get the new logo for Twitter, the new X logo, all you have to do is go to your App Store. For iPhone users, it's the Apple App Store, and for Android users, it's the Google Play Store. So just go there and search for Twitter. So when you search for Twitter, from the results, you should see X, and this is the actual Twitter application. It says X now because it's been rebranded to X, okay? So this is now Twitter, it's called X, so don't be afraid to go ahead and update the app. You can see everything here is simply just Twitter. They've just rebranded to X. So just go ahead and install the update. Might take a few minutes. So once the update is complete, you'll now notice that everything is now saying X. The interface is X, and when you look at the icon, it should be X now. Okay, so here's a new Twitter icon with an X. And that's basically how to get the new Twitter icon on your phone, the new X icon. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.